Hey guys, so back at it again with another tutorial. So the look I did is with the Carli Bybel palette. It comes with 21 color eyeshadows and a highlighting palette, whatever. I think it's highlighter. Anyways, this is what the palette looks like. You can get this online at Ulta. It's pretty decently priced in my opinion, and also, a little side note, they have the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's similar to the Morphe 35B palette. I got the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it was cheaper, so if you want to go that route, I think BH Cosmetics has some good products and good brushes. Just side note, and I got some loose glitter from them too. Anyways, gonna play with this, but yes, the eyeshadow look I did is pretty not basic for me because I'm used to doing purples because they look good for my eyes. So if you have like brown eyes and tan skin, it's like a pretty good look. I can never do like actual like brown, black, smoky. It just makes me look like a raccoon. Anyways, here is the look I did. I'm gonna zoom in. Get up close personally. My wings aren't even, but who has even wings may be a perfect person. So yes, this is the look I did, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, if you like my top, you can go to Missy UK. That's their Instagram, and I think online you can, or just Google it. And this is the Dirty Little Secrets top. And if you want to use my code to save some money, it's Mia Gomez 15, I think. That was a really ugly face I made, but I just want to confirm it for y'all so you can save some coin. I don't get any money from it, but they do have decent clothes. Not decent, they're actually really nice. I have another shirt from them. And yeah, just Mia Gomez 15. So check them out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is going to go a little bit better than my last one. And hopefully editing doesn't take that long. But yes, thank you. And keep watching if you want to learn how to do this. Okay, bye.
So I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to go in with the primer, the Urban Decay Potion Primer on my lids. Like I said before, a little bit goes a long way, so don't overdo it.
Friends are here, I just came to kick it, but really I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back.
So I start going in with the first two transition shades at the top of the palette. Then I go in 3 times with it. I'm just going to show you what the inside looks like, just so you can get a good sense of like what you can do with the palette. I'm having a hard time choosing what brushes to use, but honestly any normal blending brush is fine. The one I picked was an all-around blending brush, and then the next color I go into is the lightest purple in the second row, and I just keep going back and forth with it, trying to build up the color. Next, I go in with the deepest purple in the second row, and I just kind of put it at the outer corner and then buff it out. So I think I only tapped in it about twice for each eye. So you can see the color is really pigmented and really a deep plum. Next, I'm going to use a flat brush and go into the purple highlighter and then put it on the part without any eyeshadow, and I use the brush to kind of carve the shape of my lid just to kind of create a cut crease effect. And then afterwards I go back in and choose the deepest purple in the palette. It's like a deep shimmer purple, and I put it on top of my lid on top of the light purple already, just to add a more sparkly effect and just kind of not make it super bright. And then afterwards I just use the light purple before with the overall blending brush, and I go in and try to make the line not that harsh. Next I'm going to color correct with my green color corrector to take off some of that pimple I have on my forehead, and I use a beauty blender to blend it all out. Next I go in with my Fenty foundation. I am shade 270, and I just put dots all over my face, and remember you gotta blend it out really fast because it dries pretty quickly. And then I use a beauty blender to get all of the streak marks off of my face and blend it out.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening.
Next I go in with a Maybelline Rewind concealer, and I'm in the shade medium. This time I actually use the right shade to show you guys that I can attempt to blend out my concealer the right way. Someone please teach me, it's still pretty bad.
Care about my well-being, I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back, please enjoy your party, I'll be here. Somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hopping, I can hardly hear. Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here, oh, here.
And then next I go in with my Anastasia medium to deep contour kit, and I just do my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. Next I go in with my highlighter brush from Morphe, and I use the pink rosy shade for my highlighting. I do my nose, my highlighting bones, cheekbones, whatever, and then I also do my cupid's bow.
To bother me, but honestly I'd rather be somewhere with my people. We can kick it and just listen to some music with a message, and we'll discuss our big dreams, how we play.
Next I go in with my Kat Von D Hansel and Gretel Duo Blush.
Not there in the kitchen with the girl who's always gossiping about her friends. Oh, tell them I'll be here, right next to the boy who's throwing up cause he can't take what's in his cup no more. Oh God, why am I here? Oh, here, oh, here, oh, I ask myself.
Next I go in with that brown shade in the Carli Bybel palette. It's on the bottom row, and I put it under my eyes, try to buff it out a little bit, and then I add purple a little bit later. I just try to do something different, and then in my inner corner I use a light purple shade, the highlighting shade from earlier. Next, I go in with the Tarteist eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner part, and I try to do wings, and then I do the next wing off camera, but just watch me try to be precise.
But really I I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your
I go in with the Anastasia, what's the Ashton? It's on sale at TJ Maxx for like $8. And I've tried to do some lips and try to show you how I do it, but it's just really ugly. But enjoy my attempt.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, I ask myself what am I doing.
And welcome to the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay saucy, my friends.
Oh,